couple days I posted a picture on Instagram and I had a hose coming out of my bumper. Got quite a few messages asking what the hose was for, so I decided to make a video to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm underneath the vehicle in the rear where the spare tire used to be. What I have here is a tank from Trailedonline. It's a 6-gallon tank, fits right in the spare tire area. I got 2 of them, but I'm only running 1. 6 gallons has been plenty for me on my weekend trips. What we have right there is a 12-volt water pump. It pumps out 3 gallons per minute, so if I'm not careful, I could go through this tank in like 2 minutes. And right here I have a splitter, whatever you call these thingies. This controls the water flow. Right now they're both closed. This one fell off, so I have to get a new one. But to fill it up, I make sure this one's closed, and then I open up this one. What you can't see is I have a tank accumulator, I think it's what it's called, but it's sitting up behind the tank, and that helps pump the water evenly. So let's fill this thing up. So I got my garden hose, and right now it's on, and then I can open the flow just like that. So what I'm going to do here is insert it into this quick connect, just like that. So with my garden hose connected, I got to open the flow to be able to pump the water into the tank. So this is the one that's missing the knob. I have to turn that to open it. I got to use my pliers to do it, just like that. And then right here I have a vent that I added, so I open up the vent, and when I turn on the water will come out of the vent, letting me know it's full. Let's fill it up with some water. You can hear the water, the air coming through the vent. I'm just topping it off because we're gonna head to the beach tomorrow, and I'm gonna be able to rinse the kids off. Okay, so there's the water starting to come out. I'm just gonna stop the flow right there, and then I'm gonna close the vent underneath and close that. Just like that. And then now I can remove the garden hose. Careful, it shoots out water, so you'll get wet a little bit. Okay, so now I have my camping hose. I'm going to connect it to the quick connect, just like that. And on the bottom, I got to open the flow right there, the yellow one, just like that. And then over here, I have a power switch, and then I have a switch down here that turns on the water pump. So water pump is on, hose is connected. There you go. It's a good flow. Nice pressure. you stop the flow, the water pump will stop pumping, switch it to jet. It's pretty strong. All the way out to the street. Let's go take a look at it. All the way out there from the back of the 4Runner. This shower mode. Soaker. That doesn't really do anything. Flat. Mist. Let's see what cone does. Back to shower. And that's my water system. When you're done, just go back underneath, turn the knob, turn off the pump, turn the power off if you're not using anything, and then remove the hose. And that's what I was talking about. Careful of disconnecting because the water will shoot out. And there you go. My water system.